Assalamualaikum friends, here 2000 plus business card templates for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription, one-time payment for lifetime access. Okay, open this one and total size of this file 29 GB and 2232 files. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress in 4 parts. You see here 124 in Photoshop file and AI APS for Adobe Illustrator. Okay, creative business card, next. I know you know how to customize in Photoshop. Different design. Okay. Photography business card bundle. Front and back. Back and front. For example, open this one in Photoshop. Simply extract. Here star. Here your image and social media information and change color. Last background. Okay. And these are CMYK color, that means you can print. Light, dark, dark. Next folder, here 100. Garden design, gold business card. Invitation. Next part 4, here 38. Kitchen business card with 3 different categories, AI, APS. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and get subscription for access of my all file. Take care. I love this.